Ever wondered why collagen is considered so important for our body? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of this protein that plays a vital role in our well-being. Collagen, a powerhouse protein, forms a significant part of our body's connective tissues. It's like the scaffolding that holds everything together, from tendons and ligaments to skin and muscles. It's the stuff that keeps our skin firm, our joints flexible, and our muscles strong. But collagen is not just about beauty and strength. It's also a major player in bone health. Yes, this humble protein provides structure to our bones, making them resilient against fractures and breaks. Think of collagen as the glue that holds everything together. Without it, our bodies would, quite literally, fall apart. It's no surprise then that this protein is essential for our overall health and well-being. So, having understood the importance of collagen, the next question is, how can we boost it naturally? Boosting collagen naturally is not a hard task. It's all about lifestyle choices and the food we eat. But first, let's talk about what boosting collagen naturally means. It's about aiding your body in producing more of this vital protein, which plays a key role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. Now, you might be wondering, how can we encourage our bodies to produce more collagen? Well, the answer lies in our diet. Certain foods are rich in nutrients that promote collagen production. These nutrient powerhouses include proteins, vitamins, and minerals that work together to stimulate collagen synthesis in the body. In the upcoming scenes, we're going to delve into the specifics of these collagen-boosting foods. We'll break down which ones are most beneficial and how to incorporate them into your daily diet. So, stick around and learn how to naturally boost your collagen levels. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Now let's dive into these collagen-boosting foods. Starting off, we have the well-known vitamin C, a vital nutrient for health. But did you know that this vibrant vitamin is also a key player in the production of collagen? That's right, vitamin C is a major cog in the collagen synthesis machine. So how exactly does vitamin C contribute to collagen production? Well, it's all about the chemistry. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor in the process of collagen synthesis, facilitating the conversion of certain molecules into procollagen, the precursor to collagen. It's like the spark that sets off a chain reaction, leading to the formation of this crucial protein that keeps our skin firm and our joints flexible. Now, where can we find this collagen-boosting nutrient? While vitamin C supplements are an option, the best sources are always natural foods. And fortunately, there's no shortage of vitamin C-rich foods to choose from. Think about the tangy sweetness of an orange, or the crisp freshness of a strawberry. These fruits are not only delicious but also packed with vitamin C. But it's not just fruits that carry this vital vitamin. Vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli are also fantastic sources. Imagine starting your day with a glass of fresh orange juice or perhaps a strawberry smoothie. Lunch could be a vibrant salad with slices of bell peppers, and for dinner a side of steamed broccoli. Each meal a step towards boosting your collagen levels naturally. Let's not forget, vitamin C also boasts antioxidant properties, which means it's fighting off those pesky free radicals that can damage collagen, giving you an added layer of protection. So while vitamin C might be most famous for fending off colds, its role in collagen production is equally important. And the beauty of it is that it's readily available in so many of our favorite foods. Incorporating these vitamin C-rich foods into your diet can be a great step towards boosting your collagen levels. So the next time you're in the produce aisle, remember, you're not just shopping for food, you're shopping for your skin's health and vitality. Apart from vitamin C, two other important nutrients for collagen production are proline and glycine. Now let's delve a little deeper into these two nutrients. Proline and glycine are amino acids, and for those who may not know, amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Collagen, being a protein, relies heavily on these amino acids for its formation. Imagine proline and glycine as the bricks and mortar used to construct a house. Without them, the house, or in our case, the collagen, would lack structure and stability. Proline provides the structure, as it's a major component of the collagen triple helix, while glycine is like the mortar, filling in the gaps and making sure everything stays in place. Now you might be asking, where can I find these amino acids? Fortunately, they are abundant in a variety of foods. Egg whites, for instance, are an excellent source of proline. Not only are they packed with this amino acid, but they're also low in calories and fat, making them a healthy addition to any meal. For our carnivores out there, meat is a great source of both proline and glycine. Whether you prefer chicken, beef, or fish, you're sure to get a good dose of these collagen-building nutrients. Cheese lovers will be happy to know that dairy products, particularly hard cheeses, are rich in proline. So, go ahead and indulge in that extra slice of cheese. Your skin will thank you. If you're more inclined towards plant-based foods, you're not left out. Soy products and cabbage are packed with proline, and they're also a great source of other essential nutrients. The beauty of nature is that it provides us with all we need for our health and well-being. By incorporating these proline and glycine-rich foods into your diet, you're not only boosting your collagen production, but also promoting overall health. Adding these proline and glycine-rich foods to your meals can assist your body in creating more collagen. While specific foods can boost collagen production, other nutrients and lifestyle choices also play a part. Let's dive a little deeper and explore other nutrients that are equally important in the collagen-boosting process. One such nutrient is copper. This might surprise you, but copper plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy skin. It helps to develop collagen and elastin, the structural proteins of your skin. So, how can we incorporate copper into our diet? It's simpler than you think. Foods like sesame seeds, cocoa powder, and cashews are rich in copper. Including these in your daily diet can help you maintain healthy skin. Moving on, let's talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. They are known to boost collagen production and prevent skin aging. Berries, beans, and artichokes are loaded with antioxidants. Including these in your diet can help protect your skin and boost collagen production. Now let's shift our focus from diet to lifestyle choices. Yes, what you eat is vital, but so is how you live. Avoiding excessive sun exposure is one such lifestyle choice that can help boost collagen. While we all love a bit of sun, overexposure can lead to the breakdown of collagen, leading to premature aging. So the next time you step out, make sure to protect your skin from the sun. Another lifestyle choice that can significantly impact your collagen levels is smoking. The harmful chemicals in cigarettes can break down collagen and elastin, leading to premature skin aging. So if you're looking to maintain youthful skin, it might be a good idea to refrain from smoking. Remember, these are small changes that can go a long way in maintaining your skin health and boosting collagen production. It's all about making the right choices and sticking to them. So, why wait? Start today and see the difference for yourself. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. By making these small changes in your diet and lifestyle, you can naturally boost your collagen levels. So, we've discussed quite a few things today. Let's quickly recap. We started off by understanding the crucial role that collagen plays in our bodies. It's the glue that holds us together after all. We then moved on to how we can boost collagen naturally, using the right foods and lifestyle choices. We discovered the power of vitamin C in boosting collagen production, found in foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries. We also talked about proline and glycine, the building blocks of collagen, present in protein-rich foods like meat, dairy, and eggs. But it's not just about the food. We also touched upon the importance of lifestyle choices like getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and avoiding excessive sun exposure. These all contribute to maintaining healthy collagen levels in our bodies. Remember, boosting collagen naturally is all about the right diet and lifestyle choices. So, start today and feel the difference.